Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be installing the Z1 Motorsports intake.
JWT pop charger.
Okay, let's go. Let's get into this. So we're going to get a little sound test. Go for it, John. The main part of this install is removing the stock airbox, but other than that, this should be a pretty quick 30-minute max installation. Boom, that only took 2 minutes. So now we're installing the heat shield portion. These are the directions right here. It's only 4 steps, so this really shouldn't be too bad of an install, like I said before. But the heat shield sits like this. So we're screwing on the bracket hand tight on the lower portion of the heat shield right now. But there is a part that requires drilling, so just keep that in mind. Okay, that's one. Got the screws to line up the first time, luckily. But now we're just getting it tightened down. You could see that one right there. So we're at the last part of the install. The heat shield is finally on there. And we just gotta get the air filter on there. So you start by bolting the bolts, the hardware. And I assume that they attach to the four little holes right there. Yep. Shout out to Z1 Motorsports.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget at the end of the install to get this bracket piece on, because it further secures the intake in place with more support from the back to the side. The intake is fully installed. I'll show you a stock one since we have two Z's in here. So this is the stock versus the new one. So here's the first startup. Oh, it's sounding good. It's sounding good. So we're gonna get a little pull in just to hear the intake. All right. All right. 40 roll.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh! Well, that's the end of this video. If you like the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Shout out to Z1 Motorsports, but now we're out. Peace.